Good morning everyone, this is Neha, time to practice day 5. If you have practiced along with me for last 4 days, you have done a great job. When you take small steps, you can see the results. Eventually you can see that you are getting better. One important thing before you start, today's video you have to practice only after your regular stretches or regular workout. Don't take it as a warm up, take it after workout stretches which will help you. Let's get started. To start with, keep your legs slightly apart from each other and toe pointing out 45 degrees. Now keep your both the legs 2.5 feet apart, don't keep them too wide. Now if you have a good flexibility, you can go down into Malasana completely, like palm together. Inhale, you're going to push your hip back and you're going to sit down and you're going to come up. Now if you're a beginner, if you find it difficulty, then you go down how much ever you can. Maybe if this is your capacity, that's okay, just go down and come up, but give your best. Let's do it. Inhale down, exhale up, inhale down, make sure that you keep your spine straight. Once you are down, come up, 3, up, 4, up, the last one, 5. Now you're going to hold in 5 counts, close your eyes, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come up. You're going to relax your thighs. Now you're going to sit down on the floor. Okay. Keep your both the legs straight inside. Now keep your left leg bent and keep your right knee straight. Now lift your both the hands up straight. Adjust your spine. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward and tap your toe and come up. If you think it is not happening, do how much ever you can. If you are able to touch this also, that's great, that's fine. So don't judge yourself, just practice your stretches. Inhale, exhale, up, down, 2, inhale, 3, inhale, 4, inhale, 5. Now hold your leg wherever possible, here, here or here, doesn't matter, you're just going to hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come up, exhale down. Now from here, don't move your left knee. So I'll make you see it properly. So if this is a posture, from here, keep your leg slightly out. Okay, don't move your left leg. You're going to move only your right leg. Now from your right hand, hold your right big toe. This is very simple for me. If you find it difficulty, then you just like hold here. Okay, if this is your posture, just fine, hold here. Now once you hold your leg, you're going to move your opposite shoulder facing outside. Lift all the hand up, just bend, tap and come up. Make sure that your chest is open and bend forward how much ever you can. Okay. Now 1, center, 2, center, 3, center, 4, center. Last one we're going to hold. If you are here, here, here or here, figure out your scale and hold. And try to keep your elbow bent. If you can reach here already, try to keep your bend, open up your chest, stay here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your hand first, come to center. Okay. Now we're going to try same thing other side, but the first one first. Okay. Now lift your hands up straight, exhale, 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up. The last one, 5, hold, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Slowly drop your hand down. What is the next step? Repeat. Yeah. You're going to hold your big toe and you're going to keep it aside. Remember that don't keep it too wide, keep it only how much of you can. please do not judge yourself. See how much ever you can practice today. Yeah. Hold your big toe. If not, here, doesn't matter. And if you can reach here, then definitely try to touch your elbow to the knee. Okay. Now open up your chest, lift your hand all the way up. As you inhale, you're going to tap your toe and you're going to come back. We're going to do this few times. 1, down. It's an amazing stretch. 2, up. 3, up. 4, up. Last one, 5, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come up and time to stretch your leg out. Here's the challenge. Because I have seen people who can't even bend this much. Sitting itself gives them a lot of stretches. If this is you, then focus on sitting straight. Don't worry about moving. Okay. Keep your hands here. Try to keep your spine straight. Keep your hand down. Now you're going to make a movement forward and back. Do it how much ever depending on your capacity. If you can go slightly forward, then it's okay. If you can go even further, then just hold here. Okay, don't go complete down because we need to bend forward with the help of an elbow. If you are non-flexible person, just hold here and just move slightly forward and back. If you have little bit of more flexibility, then hands forward. Now 1, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to hold here. Look up. If you can go further, great. If you can go further, great. If not, hold here. Figure out whatever works well for you. Stay there. 5, 4. Keep your spine straight. 3, 2, 1. You can already feel a good stretch here. Okay. Just hold here for some time and come up. Remember, today's video, you please practice only after your workout. Don't keep it as a warm-up because it includes a lot of stretches. If you do this directly, you might hurt yourself because these exercises need a very good warm-up. So complete any of your sport or any Surya Namaskara, any workout, any warm-up, only then you practice these stretches. Other days, whatever I have mentioned, you can use them as a warm-up. So as I have mentioned in my day 1 video also, a fitness app Tread where we can practice together. You can download the app from Play Store where we can see you live and we can practice together. Just a reminder for you to download the app so that we can interact, we can practice together. Thank you.